Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on trimming sounds on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the plus to add a TikTok as usual. Choose your photo or video and tap next. Then tap sounds in the bottom left. Tap to choose the sound that you would like to use, and then tap the scissors icon to the right of the song. You can now slide the music bar to the section of the song that you would like to select. When the selection bar is at the correct part of the song, tap Done. Now you can post your TikTok. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.